Hello,
Hello, Teacher Adam.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, good. What is your name?
My name is Anna.
And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Oh, good. What food do you like?
I like hamburger.
It's yummy. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And where do you live?
I live in Hong An City.
Oh, great. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay. Then, let's go. What do you see on the screen? It's what?
It's quiz. It's quiet. It's red. It's right. It's bright. It's sugar. It's triangle. It's TV. It's ugly. It's utensils. It's volleyball. It's vegetable. It's red. It's white. It's fish. It's size.
Okay. Now, what are your daily routines?
I wake up. I brush teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my hair. I dress up. I eat
Breakfast.
breakfast.
Okay.
I go to school.
Oh, great. You're doing great. How do you feel?
I feel hungry. I feel cold.
No, I feel hungry. I feel cold.
I feel hungry. I feel cold. I feel hungry. I feel tired. I feel tired. Tired. I feel thirsty. I feel hot.
Oh, good. That's a good job. Now, how do you feel again?
I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel bright. I feel sleeping. I feel bright. I feel funny.
Okay. How is the weather?
It's sunny. It's foggy. It's snowy. It's windy. It's stormy. It's rainy.
Oh, great job. And what is the season? What is the season?
It's autumn. It's spring. It's summer. It's winter.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing a
Is it blouse?
blouse. I'm wearing a jeans. I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a skirt. I'm wearing a dress.
Okay, what are you wearing finally?
I'm wearing a sock. I'm wearing a pants. I'm wearing a scarf. I'm wearing a jacket. I'm wearing a shirt.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.